Hi there, this is Geoff Blake. I hope you're up for some intensive Flash CS6, where we'll take a look at some of the great new features that we have available to us in the latest version of Flash. So I thought what I would do right off the bat is give you a quick overview of what we have ahead of ourselves, and then we'll dive right into the world of Flash. So here we go. First of all, what I want to do is I want to get you comfortable inside the Flash authoring environment. We'll get comfortable working with files, navigating around, zooming, getting used to working with panels and the workspaces and so on. And then once we're comfortable inside Flash, we're going to delve into Flash's drawing tools. We'll work with the drawing tools, we'll work with the shape tools, we'll get into applying colors and gradients, and we'll also have a discussion on managing the objects that you've created inside your Flash projects as well. From there, I'd like to talk about Flash's two different drawing modes, and this can get a little bit confusing. This is why I want to address it. We have object drawing and merge drawing modes, and we'll definitely get into the differences between the two modes. All right, after that, we're going to delve into symbols and instances, creating and editing symbols, manipulating your symbol instances, and also working with Flash's library. And then after that, we're going to start getting into some animation. We're going to get comfortable with Flash's timeline, frames, and also keyframes as well. And then we're going to delve headlong into this world of animation. We'll talk about frame-by-frame animation, motion tweening, and also how to create what's referred to as classic tweens as well. I think you'll enjoy that. And then we'll get into applying some interactivity to our Flash objects, our objects inside our Flash projects. We'll get introduced to ActionScript 3 as well, which is really cool stuff. And then from there, how do we get our content out of Flash? Well, we'll talk about publishing our work to SWF, and we'll talk about publishing our content to Adobe Air for desktop and also for mobile, and also the big one, HTML5. The big new features inside Flash CS6 all revolve around getting your content out of Flash, and that's where we'll spend a lot of time. All right, I hope that sounds like a lot of fun. Without further ado, let's delve into it. Here it is, Flash CS6.